Back on the record in the arraignment docket of County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Today's date is June 29th, 2021. The arraignment docket was scheduled on today at 9 a.m. We just completed the arraignment docket, and we have a couple of cases where individuals haven't shown up, so we'll go through those cases. The first case is cause number 323-052. The case is styled, the state of Texas versus Shaquela Latrice Mitchell. Ms. Shaquela Latrice Mitchell was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. Her name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the court's door. She did not answer. She has not appeared in court while the court has been in session since 9 a.m. The time now is 12:40 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Shaquela Mitchell at the courthouse door? Shaquela Mitchell's name was just called again by the bailiff at the courthouse door. She did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Mitchell an opportunity to appear in court for the arraignment. Mr. Prosecutor, you have a motion to forfeit the bond of Shaquela Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor. Move for a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. The bond of Shaquela Mitchell in cause number 323-052 will be forfeited, and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. We're on the record in cause number 328-988. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jennifer Lupe Salazar. Salazar was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court arraignment docket at 9 a.m. Her name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff. She did not answer at the courthouse door when her name was called by the bailiff at the courthouse door. The time now is 12:41 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jennifer Salazar? Jennifer Salazar's name was just called again by the courthouse bailiff, by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Ms. Salazar did not answer. Ms. Salazar has not appeared in court since the court has been in session since 9 a.m. And a reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Salazar an opportunity to appear in court, and she has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion to forfeit the bond of Jennifer Salazar?
Yes, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted. Jennifer Salazar's bond in cause number 328-988 will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. We're on the record in cause number 329-446. This case is styled state of Texas versus Cheryl Douglas Page, or Cheryl Douglas Page. Cheryl Page was scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. this morning for the court's arraignment docket. Cheryl Page's name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Cheryl Page did not answer. Cheryl Page has not appeared in court while the court has been in session. The time now is 12:43 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Cheryl Page? Cheryl Page, name was just called again by the bailiff at the courthouse door. Cheryl Page did not answer. Cheryl Page has been given a reasonable time to appear in court. She has not appeared in court for the arraignment docket. And State, do you have a motion to forfeit the bond of Cheryl Page?
Yes, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted. Cheryl Page bond will be forfeited in cause number 329 446, and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. This will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket on June 29, 2021. County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding.